Playboy. A playboy is a man who loves dating lots of women but doesn't usually settle down. He's charming, stylish, and always surrounded by ladies. Example: Jake is such a playboy, he has a different girlfriend every month. Prude. A prude is someone who is very shy or uncomfortable about romance, relationships, or anything flirty. Example: Emma won't even talk about kissing, she's such a prude. Side chick. A side chick is a woman someone dates while already in a relationship. Not a great situation to be in. Example: She found out she was just his side chick and broke up with him. Runaround Sue. Runaround Sue describes a woman who dates many men and breaks hearts. Example: Be careful with her, she's a runaround Sue, always moving to the next guy. Homewrecker. A homewrecker is someone who causes a relationship or marriage to break up. Example: People say she's a homewrecker, but it takes two to cheat. Trophy wife. A trophy wife is a beautiful, younger woman who marries a wealthy older man, often for his money. Example: He's 60 and she's 25, some say she's just his trophy wife. Vixen. A vixen is a woman who is very attractive and knows how to use her charm. Example: That actress is a total vixen, everyone's eyes are on her. Player. A player is someone who dates multiple people without committing. They're experts at sweet-talking. Example: Don't fall for him, he's a player and will break your heart. Cougar. A cougar is a woman who dates much younger men. Example: Lisa, at 45, loves dating guys in their 20s, she's a true cougar. Skank. Skank is a rude way to describe someone who dresses or behaves in a very provocative way. Example: People shouldn't judge by appearance, just because she wears short dresses doesn't mean she's a skank. Slut. A slut is another negative term used to judge someone for having many partners. Example: People called her a slut, but it's her life, her choice. Tart. Tart is an old-fashioned way to say someone is flirtatious or dresses provocatively. Example: She acts like a tart, but she's actually very sweet. Floozy. A floozy is a playful but slightly insulting way to describe someone who enjoys attention from many people. Example: She's just having fun. Calling her a floozy isn't fair. Lech. A lech is a man who acts in a creepy way towards women, always making inappropriate comments. Example: that guy at the bar is such a lech. He won't stop staring.
Jezebel. A woman who is seen as scheming or morally loose. Example: some people called her a Jezebel because she often manipulated people to get what she wanted. Lech. A person who behaves in a sexually inappropriate way, usually towards women. Example: he kept staring at her in a creepy way, acting like a total lech. Playboy. A man who is known for dating many women and living a carefree, luxurious lifestyle. Example: everyone in town knew him as a playboy, always with a different girl at the club. Sneaky link. A secret romantic or physical relationship. Example: they've been having a sneaky link, but no one at work knows about it. Bigot. Someone who is intolerant of others' opinions, beliefs, or lifestyles. Example: he refuses to listen to people of different cultures. He's such a bigot. Nitpicker. A person who finds faults in everything, even small details. Example: he's such a nitpicker. He always complains about the tiniest things. Shallow. A person who only cares about superficial things like appearance or money. Example: she's so shallow, she only dates people based on their looks. Pervert. A person whose behavior or thoughts are considered sexually inappropriate. Example: she blocked him on social media because he was acting like a pervert, sending weird messages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.